welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a beauty kit unboxing. For those of you who don't know, this is a service offered by the website Unique, and once a month you can log on to their website and choose from a selection of products, which is hair care, skincare, makeup and perfume. Most of the items that are available tend to be either deluxe size samples or travel size minis. The cost of the service is £12.95 plus £3.95 shipping. When you get your email confirming dispatch of your beauty kit, you will get sent a voucher code in reimbursement of the £3.95 shipping. This can be used against any purchases made on the Unique website. Along with this service, they do also offer the pick and mix sample service, which is very similar to this in that you can pick 5 items, but that service just costs the £3.95 shipping, which then does get reimbursed back to you. Since they have introduced this beauty kit service, I have kind of noticed that some of the samples that may once have been available on the pick and mix are now only available on this service. I do pick up the pick and mix samples every single month, and a video unboxing this month's samples did go up in the past week, which I will link in the cards. I do get the pick and mix samples every single month, whereas the beauty kit I do only get every so often when there are enough products there that I do want to try to justify the cost of it. So I will be doing this video in a similar format to how I do my pick and mix one, in that I will go over the samples that I tried from the last beauty kit and give you my thoughts on them, and then I will show you the items that I've picked up this time. So from the samples that I tried from my last beauty kit, the first of which was this product from Glamglow. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and this was quite a nice product. It does say that it's kind of trademarked as Gentle Bubble, but I wouldn't say that it was kind of a overly bubbly face wash. It was, if anything, maybe kind of slightly aerated, but that's about it. But it's fine, it was still a pretty effective face wash. My first thought when applying this though, with regards to its scent, was that it smelled exactly like the toiletries that you get in hotels. I don't know why, but they always seem to me to have this kind of generic scent, especially the hand soaps, and that's what it just reminded me of, hotel toiletries. I don't think for me it is worth the cost of a Glamglow cleanser, because I know they are kind of the £20–30 mark. I do much prefer the one that I currently use from e.l.f. and also the CeraVe hydrating cleansers that I've tried. But it is a nice cleanser, I just don't think it's worth the cost. But as a bit of a caveat, at the point that I ordered my beauty kit, there were a handful of samples here that I hadn't even tried yet. So this one and a couple of the others I have only tried a couple of times, just so I could review them for this video. So this is by no means an in-depth review, but I don't know what else I would kind of glean from using this any more times, because it is just a cleanser. So it is nice, I just don't think it kind of justifies the Glamglow prices. Next we have this eye cream from Lauder. This is the Time Filler Eyes, and this is a really nice eye cream. Throughout this beauty kit service and the pick and mix sample service, I have been trying a lot of different eye creams recently, and this is probably one of my favourites. Again, this is a product, if I'm honest, I have only used a handful of times, so because it is supposed to be a correction cream and probably help with kind of underlying wrinkles and dark circles and things like that, I can't really say as to that. I can just say as to how it feels and sort of any immediate effects. It is a really nice consistency. It is a kind of thicker eye cream, but once you start to blend it into the skin, it does just blend in nice. It doesn't sit on top of their skin and it doesn't feel heavy. It does have that sort of typical Lauder scent to it. I've tried quite a few Lauder products over the past few months, and they do have this really nice fresh scent to them. So I did like the scent of it, and I did really like the application process. The immediate effect that I noticed with this is that I did feel cooling under the eyes. I don't think I've had that before with an under eye cream. There is one that I'm currently using in my Shop My Stash skincare drawer from number 7, which comes in the applicator that has the kind of silver balls that you roll under your eyes to apply the product. So when I'm using that one, that does feel cooling, but that's because of the applicator. But I did notice a similar effect using this, just using my finger and the cream itself. So that was really nice and was slightly different. I have been really enjoying that one from number 7, and I do like this one kind of equally as much. Again, I have only kind of used it 2 or 3 times, but it is enough for me to know that I do really like this eye cream. They do have another eye cream which is called the Optimize eye cream, and that is one that I tried in a previous either beauty kit or pick and mix, and that was one that I did say once I'd got through all my current eye creams I would look to purchase. but now I'm thinking this might be a contender for it. Can't remember off the top of my head how much this one was, but I don't think there was much difference between this and the Optimize. So I do want to fully use this tube up before I make a decision as to which one I will be repurchasing, because I do want to see if I do notice any long-term effects with my under eye dark circles or eye wrinkles and things. But so far so good for this, and I am really enjoying it. Then we have this product from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Bod Buff. This is a product that I already had tried and I knew that I loved, but when I seen I could get another sample of it and there wasn't kind of a fifth sample at the time that I wanted, that's why I picked this one up. I was slightly disappointed when it arrived to realise that it was only half full, so I didn't get an awful lot of uses out of this. I do only tend to apply this to my arms and my legs, so it's not as if I'm kind of using it as a whole body application, but I would say I got 3 uses out of it before I had to really struggle to push the product out. I did end up kind of taking the lid off altogether and literally pushing out as much as I could. So I don't think it had the 15ml that was advertised, but again, I didn't need to kind of try this product to know if I liked it. I know I already love it. I did actually finally purchase the full size of it last month because after using this again, I just love it so much, and it is a product that is now a staple in my shower. It is a great exfoliator. And the fact that it just smells like the original Boom Boom cream is also another bonus, but the actual exfoliating properties of it are really nice. It does have a decent grit to it, so you do feel like you are actually doing something to your skin, but it's not too much of a grit that it's kind of painful. It is just really nice, so highly recommend this, and my skin on my legs and my arms has never felt softer, so I'm really glad I now have a full size of this one. Then we have this product from Sarah Chapman. This is the Skinethus Overnight Facial. This was a product that I didn't really know when best to use it. I didn't know if it was kind of a serum or a night cream. It does have a consistency of a kind of thick serum slash light moisturiser, so I kind of used it in the middle. Another product, again, I have only used a couple of times just so I could give a kind of probably first impressions for this video. So far I'm not a fan of it really. It does have a kind of slightly oily consistency, so I don't find that it's the easiest to blend into your skin. The first time I used it, I did just apply it to bare skin to see what it was like, and then I did try it on top of products. It didn't really blend the best into my bare skin, so when I applied it on top of products for the second time using it, it was even worse. So it is a product that I think you probably just need to use on its own. I don't know if that's maybe the point of it because it's saying overnight facial, so I don't know if it is supposed to be a kind of serum, oil and moisturiser in one. I think when I continue to use it, I might just have to use this on a night where I'm kind of in a rush to apply my skincare and just want one product. It is quite heavily scented and it does stick around on the skin for quite a while. I couldn't quite put my finger on what the actual scent was, and it doesn't have any ingredients or anything on here, but when I did look it up, it says it has scents of jasmine and rose, and I think the main scent is the jasmine, but then you can kind of smell undertones of the rose as well. So it's not my favourite scent. I do find jasmine quite overpowering. This product was a bit of a miss for me. And then the final product was this one from Este Lauder. This is the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex. This one is in my current Shop My Stash skincare drawer, so I have used this one quite a few times. I think I'm about halfway through the bottle at this point. This one I have been using as a serum and it is really nice. It does have a slightly weird consistency to it in that when you initially pour it into your hand, you think it's going to be runny, but then it doesn't quite budge, and it is not quite jelly-like but also not serum-like, if that makes any sense. I believe the full size of this does come with a dropper, which I think would be a better applicator for it, whereas this does have quite a large opening on the top. I was worried that when I was pouring it out, it was going to pour out a lot because I did think it was going to be more oily, but you can manage to kind of get one drop out at a time because of that consistency to it. This one does soak into the skin so fast. I found that I don't really need to rub this product in. I can just pat it into the skin and it does just soak in seconds. So I have used this one on its own as a sole serum after another serum, and everything just seems to work really well with this product. Everything goes on top of it really nicely because it does dry so quick. I don't really have to pause between my skincare steps. I believe it is quite a pricey product, so I don't think it's one I would ever rush out to repurchase, but if I ever did see it on sale, or if I did see a sort of mini of it or something like that, it would be one I would potentially think about purchasing in the future, because it is a really nice product and it does just leave the skin really nice and fresh and kind of plumped. And it kind of is right where it says at advanced night repair. It just feels like it is doing good to my skin, so I did really enjoy this one. So that is all the samples that I tried from last time. Now I will show you what I picked this month. So as usual, the items do come in this zipped beauty bag. As I've said in the past, it would be nice if they kind of switched this one up slightly, because I now have 3 or 4 of these. I have passed one on to my mum and also a friend, so I think I've got 2 left, but it is nice and I will make use of the one that I've got. I do like that it has the little wrist strap. It does feel like really nice quality, but I wish they would mix them up, even if it was this exact style but just a different colour or something, because that might be quite handy for if I ever go on holiday again, to have a couple of these with the sort of different colour codes for what they contain. But that's just my kind of 2 cents on that one. As I believe I said at the beginning, this service I don't get every single month like I do with the pick and mix. I do only get it when there are quite a few products that are on the list that I want to try, and that is definitely the case with the products that I have here. The first one is this one from Wishful, which is the skincare brand of Huda Beauty. This is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturiser. So this says luminosity, visibly smaller pores, hydration and instantly smoothing. And this comes in a little cute bump at the back, which I presume is going to have a kind of foil top, which is really cute. But I believe this might be the newest product in the Wishful skincare line. So it's great that this is kind of immediately available for me to try in the beauty kit. So this one says it contains lavender, honey, niacinamide and turmeric. I do quite like things that are lavender scented. I'm not so struck on things that are honey scented, but I'm intrigued by that combination. I know it does say honey balm, so I do expect it to smell of honey, but I'm hoping mixed with the lavender it will be quite nice. So I'm excited to give this one a go. So as with the pick and mix samples, I have worked out the value of each of these products. For this one, so the full size of this is 55 grams for £43. So I work out that this 6.3 gram sample is worth £4.93. So I'm excited to give this one a go. Then we have this one from Elizabeth Arden. These are the vitamin C ceramide capsules. So this comes with a little tube which contains 7 other capsules, which is enough for 1 week's use. I have tried some Elizabeth Arden capsules previously. I think the ones I tried were just their original ones, but this one says these are new and these are the vitamin C ones. So it's Radiance Renewal Serum. And then inside it says visibly brighten, even skin tone and protect against premature aging signs. Each capsule delivers a powerful daily dose of skin revitalising ceramides and radiance renewing vitamin C, encapsulated for optimal freshness. Use daily to diminish dullness, even skin tone and reveal a healthy luminous glow. So I'm excited to give these ones a go because I did really love the ones I tried previously. I did find with those ones that I could actually get 2 uses out of each of these little capsules. I know it says that they're kind of formulated that it's enough for 1 dose, but for me, I say in the previous ones, one was a bit too much liquid for my face. So I'm going to see how these ones go, but I wouldn't be surprised if I can get a couple of uses out of each one of these capsules. So I'm excited to see what these ones are like and compare them to the other ones. So for the value of these ones, so the full size of this is 30 capsules for £45. So I work out that these 7 capsules are worth £1.50 each. So the 7 totals £10.50. Next we have a product from Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0, which is the black shade. This is the size of the pencil that you get. It does say that there are 37 different shades here, quite a few nice bright colours and some darker shades as well, but this one is just black. Eyeliner is a step that I've been forgetting a lot as of late, but I am trying to get better at remembering to at least put something in my waterline. I'm hoping having this one to try will remind me, because I have been really wanting to try this formula for quite some time, and I think because of the amount of shades they have, I've just never been able to pick a shade that I wanted, because I normally go for brown in the waterline, and it looks like they have about 10 different variations of brown. So I know this one's black, but I will still make use of it and give it a go and at least be able to see what the formula is like. So value wise for this one, the full size is 1.2 grams for £16, and this pencil is 0.8 grams, and I work out that this is £10.67. So it's basically 3/4 of a full size one, which I'm really excited about because I never finish a full pencil anyway, so to get it as part of this is great. The next product that I picked is this one from Beauty Bakery, and this is their flower setting powder. I knew that the original packaging of this was cute and came in a little flower bag. I wasn't expecting this small one too as well. I haven't even actually opened this one yet, but it still comes in the flower bag. So it does come exactly like the original in the same packaging, just a shrunk down version. So this one is in the shade Oat, which I'm not sure where on the spectrum of shades that kind of comes, but it does look like it should be an okay shade match for me. Looking at the bottom of this, it is only half full, but it is only a gram of product anyway, but I should still be able to get a couple of uses out of it to see what it's like. And I just opened it to see what the packaging inside was like, and it's gone absolutely everywhere. So I've probably just lost half of the gram that I have. So this is a product that I need to make sure is all banged down to the bottom before I open it, because it doesn't have a sifter or anything on the top. It is just an open pot. So that's going to be fun when I come to sample this one. But I'm keen to give it a go, and I don't believe I've tried anything from the brand Beauty Bakery before, and I have always wanted to. So the full size of this is 14 grams for £22.50, and as I said, this is a gram, so I work out that this is worth £1.61. And then the final product that I picked is this one from Elemis. This is the Superfood Seeker Calm Hydration Juice. This says it's a super hydrating gel. I was really intrigued by the words hydration juice. This one says, this lightweight hydrator packed with moisture quenching fruit waters, organic aloe juice and antioxidant rich seeker helps to visibly calm and balance skin for healthy looking complexion. So it says apply every morning to cleanse skin. I tend to do the majority of my skincare in the night, so I don't know if this is going to be more like a day cream and I should use it in the morning. I'm going to have a little play around with this one and see how best to use it, but it does sound really intriguing, and I do like hydrating products. For the value of this one, the full size is 50ml for £40, and this is a 20ml product, so I work out that this is worth £16. So this is the most expensive product out of the 5 that I picked. So these are the 5 items that I picked in this month's beauty kit. Quite a few there that I have had my eye on and wanted to try for some time, so really excited that I finally get a chance to. I did tot up the total value of this beauty kit, and I work out that it is £43.71. So bearing in mind that I did only spend the £12.95 plus the shipping, which the shipping I'll get back, I do think that I've got quite a few good products here to try. It is worth that £12.95. But other than that, that is it for my beauty kit unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.